Maintaining valid F1 visa student status. While studying in the United States, it is important to maintain valid F1 student status. The U.S. Department of State has issued your F1 student visa based on your intended purpose, which is to study. You should not take any action that detracts from that purpose. Failure to comply with F1 regulations may result in the termination of your F1 student status, loss of future immigration benefits, as well as render you ineligible to re-enter the country in the future. Here are the key requirements for maintaining your F1 status at California State University, Long Beach. 1. Attend classes and make academic progress. Attend all your classes and work toward completing your degree. If you experience academic difficulties, contact an international student advisor as soon as possible. 2. Maintain full-time enrollment. During the fall and spring semesters, you must be registered full-time. Undergraduate and credential students, 12 units minimum. Graduate students, 8 units minimum. Enrollment during winter and summer sessions is optional unless required by your program. Concurrent enrollment in another school could be possible with prior approval from the International Student Advisor. 3. Follow online course limits. Only one online course or up to 3 online units per semester may count toward your full-time enrollment requirement. Most of your coursework must be completed in person or in a hybrid format, and you cannot register in all online courses during any given term. 4. Talk to ISS before dropping a class. Never drop below full-time enrollment without first speaking with an international student advisor. In some cases, a reduced course load may be authorized for academic, medical, or final semester reasons. 5. Report important changes. Notify ISS within 10 days of any significant changes, including address or contact information, major or degree level, financial support or funding sources, name or nationality. You should also contact ISS before taking a break from your studies, traveling outside the United States, accepting any employment, internship, or training opportunity, whether paid or unpaid. 6. Request an extension if needed. If you need more time to complete your degree than the date listed on your I-20, you must request a program extension before your I-20 expires. Ideally, within 180 days of the expiration date. Starting September 15, 2026, you may also need to file Form I-539 extension of stay with USCIS. 7. Do not work without authorization. Any off-campus employment, internship, or training requires prior authorization from an international student advisor. 8. Follow your grace period. After completing your program or authorized OPT, you have a grace period to prepare for departure, transfer to another school, begin a new program, or apply for a change of visa status. Starting September 15, 2026. Students who enter the U.S. on or after September 15, 2026, will have a 30-day grace period. Students that entered the U.S. before September 15, 2026, and maintain continuous stay in the country may keep the 60-day grace period with some exception. Please ask an ISS advisor for details. Additionally, students who are authorized to withdraw have a 15 days grace period. Students who withdraw from classes without prior authorization and those with violations of status are not eligible for a grace period. Finally, during the grace period you cannot study, re-enter the U.S. or work without approval. 9. Keep important documents up to date. Keep a valid I-20 form. Keep a valid passport. Keep an unexpired I-94. Renew each document prior to its expiration. 10. Check your California State University Long Beach email regularly. Important updates from the university and international student services will be sent to your CSU Long Beach email account. Be sure to check it frequently. Maintaining your F1 status is your responsibility. If you have questions or are considering any change that could affect your status, contact International Student Services. We're here to help you stay compliant and succeed at CSU Long Beach. You can find more detailed information to help you maintain valid F1 status online at Maintaining Status Study in the States and F1 Rules, California State University, Long Beach.